After washing your hands, we can begin our prep with shaping. Using the Attain nail clippers, shorten the nail to your desired length. If you don't want to shorten your nails, you can skip this step. Next, we will push back the skin and remove any debris with the Attain cuticle pusher. Use slow, gentle, and even pressure to push the skin back on all sides. The scraper can be used to remove dried cuticle and debris. Clean the nail plate as best you can. The goal is to create a clean, well-exposed surface free of skin, debris, and with a symmetrical shape. Use the finer side of the Attain nail file to shape the free edge of the nail. Bevel the free edge by using a slight 45-degree angle and round the corners for best results. Using the other side of the file, remove the shine from the entire nail plate. Use gentle, even pressure and irregular motions to create a well-etched surface. Pay extra attention to all areas close to the skin. You can use the rounded edge of the file to push back and clean as you etch. When you're done, the whole nail should look just like this. Use a wipe and Attain Clean Cleanser to clean the nail. This step is important to kill bacteria, remove debris, and remove surface oils. Allow the nail to completely dry. It should look chalky, white, and dehydrated with visible scratches. Congrats, you now have a perfectly prepped nail ready for Attain product application.